Yo, man, this is Chris Garcia coming at you from Godsend Trading. I just wanted to send a video out, kind of introduce myself, and so some of you new guys that, just joined, and for those that have known me but kind of don't know my trading story, I wanted to just break it down, and let's just straight to it. So basically, most of y'all just joined, kind of just saw my page, or you came from another chat. Basically, a lot of people just saw that I just turned 3K to 20K on MT4 only trading cryptos. So, it might look easy, showing y'all the numbers. It might look, you just look like wow, but that didn't come easy at all. I basically struggled for a solid year, like a little bit over a year actually, probably like 15 months. Because my whole journey with trading in general, like period, started with like stocks. I traded on Robinhood in the summer of 2017 when I had my summer internship. I'm a mechanical engineering major. I should get to that too. I'm a mechanical engineering major grad from Prairie View A&M University right outside of Houston, Texas. And I interned. Yeah, I'm 25. I'm from Houston. I just moved out here to California, Ridgecrest specifically, for my job, and I'm in LA every weekend just trying to work, man. But basically, when it came to trading back then, all I was doing was stocks on Robinhood. I would like basically I would just trade news. I would trade earnings releases, and I would be like really into that and just try to like get my feet wet on Robinhood. I put I think $300 in. I think when it came down to it, I made had ups and downs. I made I think only $70, like, which it's a good return when you're talking about stocks. So I left with $370, but it was cool because it kind of related to real world brands and stuff. Like I could literally speculate if the Nike earnings release is gonna be good. I could kind of already see what's going on just from a big picture perspective. I'm into fashion, and if I see something for Nike that's really booming, like a particular model they release, if I see it a lot, I might speculate that it's gonna go up. Just things like that. I'm just really interested in that. But from there, I transferred into trading crypto, mainly altcoins on Coinbase, and then Binance and Cryptopia. Mainly, what got me into that was a friend that was doing it. I think it was Elvis, my homie Elvis back home at school. He kind of mentioned to me that he had some friends that was just making some crazy money off of it that were our age. So obviously that intrigued me. I was like, man, I gotta see about it, because it's almost the same thing as stocks, right? Or so I thought, So basically I started trading, crypto is just off of basically that one convo me and him had. And so basically I would just be on YouTube. I would be on particularly Altcoin Buzz. It's a good little page to follow on YouTube, and they have social media accounts everywhere. But I was mainly watching their YouTube videos every day when I work out, every day when I drive to school and back, every day, just getting getting my knowledge base up and just studying. I started with Litecoin on Coinbase. I remember because I put basically my whole refund check from school, from financial aid. I put I think $4,000, and I turned that into 12 just off of putting it in a Litecoin around 120. And I basically 3x'd it when we had a crazy bull run. I first invested in Litecoin specifically November 1st. And for those that keep up at least a little bit, they know Bitcoin had Bitcoin, the whole crazy crypto market had a crazy bull run from December, January time. And so I rode that Litecoin price up to 300 range and 3x'd it, so it was 12x, right? So it went to 4 to 12. And after that, I started trading coins like Electronium, a little bit of Tron, Verge, just a lot of other altcoins that were kind of buzzed around. I would just hear, and other YouTubers would talk about it. Altcoin Buzz was very informative about different altcoins. They was just inform you about new ICOs or new coins that have something releasing, maybe a wallet, a mainnet release or something. And so I kind of just speculated from the information I got on YouTube, and kind of applied that and did my own research. Like, my own research was really what got me there, because you know, the news is cool, but like, you don't really learn anything unless you actually do your own research and go to the website and see what the coins are really about, and what's really gonna jack the price up, what's really gonna bring new buyers. But so yeah, I traded altcoins. So basically I went from 12K to 22K, long story short. And basically, you know, I got all the way to 22K. Like, I was, you know, I was euphoric. You know, I didn't know that like I could literally have, like, you know, went me and got me a nice new car, you know, for college, but it was like, that just wasn't the way I want to go. So I basically just held it. I held it because I was trying to pay off my student loans. I was like 20K, and I got like at least 60K of loans. I was like, I'm gonna hold it. I want to get, you know, over. I want to get my whole student loans paid off, which really came out to like over 100K, like literally like 120K. So really, anyway, I got greedy, and then I end up, like, I pulled out money here and there, like took some trips, spent money, but I got greedy. So basically, I end up having to, like, literally just, I wrote it all the way back down to my initial investment, then I pulled out. So in the end, I didn't lose any money, but obviously I had 22K in my on my Blockfolio, which is the app I use to keep up with all my coins and the values. And I saw 22K one time, and I got greedy. I didn't pull out, man. So from there, you know, I had 4,000, took it out, whatever. And then, you know, obviously the market was down. I kind of, honestly, I was like still kind of keeping up with crypto, but I wasn't trading anymore. And I kind of like honestly got wrapped up in my senior design project for my you know, my last year at college for mechanical engineering. And after that, it took me about, like, really until like May, and I started hearing about the forex market. And I don't have too much exposure to forex at all. And long story short, I had a few friends into it. Just, you know, talked to them. Me and two other friends went in on Q-Bank's course, CUEBANKS. Q-Bank's, he has a great course for those trying to learn it, like, forex top to bottom. You can learn, like, really for me, I want to learn the technical analysis side of things, because I kind of already had the fundamental analysis thing on point, which is what I was doing with crypto, which is kind of big picture trading. Like I was trading like 1 day to a few weeks, rather than like now. Sometimes a trade for me could be less than a minute, and the longest trade has been like maybe around 12 hours. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, trades right now are pretty quick for me. And but back then I wanted to get a technical analysis, so I was like, Q's course is $500 course. So me and two friends went in on the course, bought the course. I basically spent this whole past summer, you know, it's about to be October, it's late September 2018. I spent the whole summer 2018 on Q's course basically. But when I was doing the course like amped me up so much, I actually started like trading while I was doing the course with real money. And to say the least, I learned some lessons. Like, I learned some big lessons the hard way, and lost money that, like, honestly, that I needed. It wasn't money I should have been investing. That's a lesson that everybody should know before you start. Don't invest any money that's gonna affect your quality of life. And that's something that kind of tore me up, and obviously taught me a lot about just risk management. I didn't really apply risk management to when I first started. So basically, after I lost close to like $5,000 of my real money. And my real money, I repeat that, real money, like, and lost it all, like blue account. And every time I felt like I had it down packed again, I put more money in, blue account. But I was trying to trade fiat pairs on MetaTrader 4, and I just was, you know, people that know forex, they know it's not no overnight process. It's not an overnight skill that you can just acquire just by watching a video or two. But so basically, because it's a lot of psychological aspects to it that you don't realize until you get into it. Like, it's all mental. But anyways, so after that, I kind of like started realizing that you can trade crypto pairs on forex as well. which, you know, I really wasn't exposed to at all. I just knew it was fiats on forex. So when I found out cryptos were on there, I was like, I got a strong background, a solid, you know. Before that, it was probably like I studied probably the whole October before I invested. So like October to January, I experienced the whole bull run. What I was 24/7 on crypto. Anybody that knows me, during that time, I spent all my time on crypto. So I kind of have a strong background in it, just from just a knowledge base. Like compared to other crypto OGs, I don't have any type of knowledge like that. But you know, I was relatively knowledgeable and comfortable with cryptos. So when I realized that, I just combined the two, and I just like, man, I'm about to trade them. I'm gonna step back and be smart and just trade only cryptos on the forex market. And I did that, and that's when I turned 3K to 20K on demo. So here we are today. I'm actually in the process of getting my money out of JAFX, because I actually put some real money in it I was about to start with. But obviously, for those that know, they're actually going through some things with the CFTC, because they did not register as a forex broker in the US, and they didn't register. So they've been obviously doing business with people like me that are in the US without a license. So that's a big problem. So I'm in the process of looking for a new broker, probably Hugo's Way, or I might just go do Trader's Way with the low leverage, but we'll see how that goes. But anyway, so yeah, I'm here trying to start this new check called, Godson Trading. We got signals coming. My partner Nick Porche, who is also my cousin, we're gonna start bringing more content to you guys so we can teach y'all. I just want to tell y'all my story. If you have any questions or any specific video requests, please let me know. Thank you.